Hello guys, welcome back. If your Frigidaire gallery countertop ice maker suddenly stops producing ice, it can be frustrating, especially when the machine powers on but doesn't actually make any cubes. You might hear it running but see no output, or it may stop midway through the cycle. This usually points to issues like water flow problems, sensor interruptions, or internal buildup that affects the ice making process. These machines rely on a smooth cycle of filling, freezing, and releasing ice, so even a small disruption can stop the entire process. The good part is that most of these problems can be fixed quickly with a few focused checks. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to get your Frigidaire gallery ice maker back up and producing ice again. 1. Turn off the ice maker and unplug it for a full reset. 2. Check the water reservoir and fill it to the correct level. 3. Clean the interior and remove any ice or mineral buildup. 4. Ensure the ice basket and sensors are properly aligned. 5. Place the unit in a well-ventilated area with stable room temperature. 6. Plug it back in, start a cycle, and confirm ice production begins.